Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today's tutorial will be on how I do a silk press at home on my very thick natural curly hair. I wanted to do this video to show that you don't necessarily have to give up heat or straightening your hair for healthy curls as long as you use the right products, prep it correctly, and of course don't do it too often. As far as my shower routine, the only product that I used is this gentle cleansing shampoo by Dollar Curl Club. I love this product because it's silicone free, paraben free, sulfate free, and it's really good at cleansing your hair, especially at your roots, without stripping it of its natural oil, so it doesn't leave it looking brittle or dry, but it also doesn't have too much oil in it, so it doesn't leave your hair greasy or weighed down. So for me, this is basically like the perfect all-in-one shower routine product before I straighten my hair. The only product I put on my hair while it was wet is this It's a 10 Miracle Leave-In product. And basically just whenever I use this on my wet hair before I plan to straighten it, it just makes my hair last a lot longer, it doesn't get frizzy as quickly, and it makes it easier to do in the morning. Like, I don't have to keep re-straightening it, so it's a great product to help my straight hair last. So my hair is definitely like way too thick and crazy to try and straighten right now, so I'm gonna try and calm it down with my blow dryer just to like flatten out the strands, and it just make the whole process go by way easier, honestly. So the first thing I do is section a bottom piece off because I work from the bottom up when I do my hair. And I'm gonna use a little bit of this coconut oil. I don't use a lot at all, like that much, on this entire section. And you don't want to put this product on your roots because that can make your hair weigh down and just make your roots look a little greasy. So I only put it in the mid and the bottom sections of my hair. So for the process of actually straightening my hair, all I do is take tall but skinny sections at a time and just make sure that it gets perfectly flat. The smaller pieces of hair you straighten, the neater your entire hair will look at the end, so I don't rush this part. I'm using my straightener on 410 degrees by the brand Remington, which I bought at Target like at least 5 years ago, and it hasn't caused me any problems, so I love it. I also focus my flat iron on my roots first by going over it a couple times just to add to the sleek look and just make sure that it lays flat starting at my actual roots all the way down to the bottom. So this is the half of my hair that's been straightened with that heat protectant, and then this is just the blow dried section. So this product definitely makes my hair kind of look more like a silk press, and it just keeps it very, very natural. So this stuff, I'm sticking with it till the casket drops. And then the last step of my silk press routine is to just make sure that my ends lay as flat as possible by using this soft brush. I just take a medium section at a time, and I take the brush and I brush through it, make sure that the bristles are all going through, and then I chase it with my flat iron to make sure that everything is perfect. And then for the top section, I basically just like flip it all on one side and then slowly part section by section down and then straighten it. basically I just keep parting up until I get to the middle and then making sure I straighten them down. Okay, so this is the final look of my silk press, and honey, I look good. And my ends look really good too, just from those two products that I use, as well as like chasing my brush with the flat iron. I think those two combined have really made just my ends look super smooth, and I just hardly have to trim off anything. But yeah. So this is my hair length right now. I did my big chop about a year ago. So I like to just straighten my hair every few months to see my progress and my hair growth, and just making sure all the stuff that I'm doing to help my hair grow is actually working. My favorite thing about this product is the fact that I don't have to refresh my hair in the morning when I use it. So it's crazy, but like if I spray it on my hair before I straighten it, the next few days I'll just wake up with like perfectly straight hair. Whereas before, when I didn't use a leave-in treatment, I would have to keep straightening it every morning or straighten it whenever it gets frizzy. But I definitely see a difference when I use this leave-in product, especially when it comes to like going outside in the humidity and stuff. So this is actually my third day hair. So I straightened it 3 days ago, and it's still really flat, really flowy, doesn't have any curly frizzy pieces, and I have actually not had to put any additional heat on it in the past 3 days. So really this product helps with not getting as much heat damage because your hair stays straight every morning. You don't have to keep, you know, plugging your flat iron in and like re-straightening it every single morning because it messes up overnight. So game changer. So those are all of the tips that I use in my straightening routine to get my super thick hair to lay down as flat as possible. If you have any questions or tips, you're more than welcome to leave them in the comments, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thank you.